guys. So I did just film some stuff, but I was stood underneath this light and it's the worst light for filming anything. So I've moved over towards the window. You don't usually get this sort of view, but it's very cloudy outside. So standing anywhere not in front of a window, it's very dark. So this week, as you've seen, I printed out, let me see, here it is, or cut out my rose design, but I've done these ones a bit bigger. So I think what I'm going to do is dot them about kind of half in and half out around the hat, all the way around. And of course, the inside of the brim, because I just don't think people should wear hats now without designs on the inside of the brim, because it's so cool. So that is the plan for today. I want to do that. I also have a bulk order of these style hats, these suede hats coming in, as well as a new style of hat that's coming in as well that I'm quite excited to share. And I'm quite excited to see because I got a few greeny bluey colours and they look really, really cool. So I have my fingers crossed that they are super cool, because I'd like to get more hats in the shop that you can just click to buy them, because I do a lot of custom orders, but it's also nice for you to see these online and go, I love that, and be able to just click to buy them. So I'd like to do more designs in different colours that are already sat in the shop. But yeah, let's go ahead and do this, and I will catch up with you guys in a little bit. There we have it. It's done. I absolutely love this. I think what I'm going to do is put some in the shop in black and red. Possibly white. I've got like it might be more on the cream side, but I might do one like that because cream and gold would look really nice. But absolutely love it. So that will go live in the shop on Wednesday the 20th, which is the spring collection drop. Also, for you guys out there that are looking for the Lord of the Rings inspired hats, they are also going back on sale next week. So keep an eye out for those. I haven't figured out if it's going to be the 20th or before or after, so definitely keep an eye out for those because they sell it really quick. But that's it for this week, guys. If you'd like to learn how to burn your very own hat as a beginner, I'll leave the link down below for our ebook, and I'll leave the link down below for Etsy so you can grab yourself a one-of-a-kind beautiful fedora on the 20th of this month.